don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Please also like. Thank you.
Spencer, I'm all out of energon after running from that crazy prime. I need to refuel. Hey, there's a bar here. Let's go in. Hey, Spinster, take a look at this. This is my kind of place. Cute bartenders. Waitresses, rather. Cute waitresses. Obviously, the people here drink too much. What the? Hey, they've even got animal shows. This place might be alright. You know, I've been looking for a place like this my whole vacation, where I can just relax, not worry about things. Finally, a place where I can be prime and not stress. Drink some nice, cool energon. Not worry about anything. This might be it, Spencer. This might be our vacation spot.
Hey baby, you looking for a good time? 'Cause I can set you up.
We are never leaving. Ever. Hey baby, how's it going? Yeah, how's it going, baby? What the hell's that? Oh, nuts. This is a raid. Oh, nuts. Why does this always happen to me? Everybody get on the ground! Ah, nuts. Why does this always happen to me? No! No! Why does this always happen to me? Are you trying to give me trouble? Are you trying to give me trouble? Are you trying to give me trouble? Because I'm General Optimus. I will shoot you dead. I'm going back to Metroplex. I've had enough of this crazy vacation. Ah! I will shoot you dead! I'm going back home. I'm going back home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. I don't get it. I said it 3 times. Why didn't I go home? Spencer!
Hello everyone, this is Tom. Continuing with the Combaticons, we're going to be looking at Blastoff and Swindle. So I don't have the hand-foot guns. I don't know what the hell I've done with them. Quite frankly, I don't care. I never did like those. I have the Perfect Effect kit, the PC-09. It does this, it does that, it does changes to this, that, and the other. Okay, PC-09 kit. Now, as I said, today we will be reviewing Blastoff and Swindle. And we're doing this intentionally because, you know, we've all seen these. We know what they look like. Here's Blastoff. Here is the PC-09 hand. It turns into a little gun. You fold it, and now it's hand. Blastoff comes with a little gun. It looks like this. Gun. Okay. As I kill my light. Okay. So try to move my light so you guys can see a little better. Okay. So, accessories, done. Now, Blastoff, we've seen this before. That's the other thing. This is nothing new. Transform, transform. Open up, open up. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down tonight. Get down tonight. Alright, that's all you get from me. I never said I could sing. Transform, rotate, turn head, turn arm, Blastoff, rotate fin, Blastoff. Looks like he's flipping you the bird, doesn't it? Screw you guys, I'm going home. Screw you. Screw you. Hey. I get way too much fun out of these things. Anyway, somebody really should have rethought that design. But anyway, that's okay. Because I wasn't there, they didn't ask me, and you know what? I don't really care. So, Blastoff. Is that Blastoff? Yeah, that's Blastoff. That's not Vortex. Okay, so, Blastoff. Swindle. With his foot. Okay, it comes apart, it becomes cannons. It comes back together. It becomes foot. Foot. Hand. Hand. Foot. Gun. Now we've seen a hand-foot gun. Okay, so let me see if I can remember how to transform this guy. I think I did it once. And then I put him into Bruticus mode, and he hasn't moved since. Let's see. Move things until other things move, and then other things will move until other things move, and then eventually he will become a robot. Or he will break. Something will happen. Do this, do this, do this. Do 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 do. Alright, rotate head, rotate shoulder, rotate hand, rotate shoulder, rotate hand, pull off leg. There. And we have a barrel-chested, weak, tweak, tweak, tweak. Yeah, he has very weak thingies there. Thingy is a technical term. It's patented. Anybody else uses it, 25 cents each time. Okay, so pop that off, pop it back on, and here you have Swindle in all of his glory. Okay, now we've seen Swindle and we've seen Blastoff. Now I suppose we need size comparisons, because we have to have size comparisons in a review, don't we? Okay, let's see. Who do we have for a size comparison? Well, let me see. There they are with Alpha Spark, or what I'm lovingly referring to as Alpha Prime with a shockwave cannon. And you know what Alpha Prime says whenever he sees somebody new.
You work for me now! Me! Brah! Brah!
And now they work for him. Because nobody argues with the shockwave cannon. Alright, so we'll pull out Metroplex here, and we'll see how they compare. Because Metroplex works for him too.
Do you want to work for me? Brah!
And now, to answer the burning question on everybody's mind, how do they scale with Metroplex? Ooh, we see Celestia. Red Car's hanging on her horn for some reason.
Well, yes, but here's Swindle.
Swindle.
And there's Blastoff.
Blastoff, ooh.
And that's how they scale with Metroplex. And yeah, there's Retgar. Apparently Celestia decided to join in. And Retgar's all like, I've heard about taking life by the horn, so I figured maybe, you know, grab her horn and maybe I get some life. Yay! Metroplex is all like,
I'm really gonna have to kill everybody.
you just like throwing Transformers, don't you? Alright, that's enough. Who's a pretty kitty? You're a pretty kitty, aren't you? Yes.
Thank you for watching my Papa's channel. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.